Hello America, mKelson here today in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. BISH'S RV to present to you a 2021 Sunstar by Winnebago. It's a 29V, 350 horsepower on a V8, and I'll tell you what, this baby will scream. But let's go inside and look at the beauty of this coach. So come on in here and just look at the color palette in this coach. You got the nice, darker, rich upholstery with the lighter wood, kind of an antique white color, and kind of the middle of the road on the floor makes it extremely palatable and fun to look at. I want you to come back this way and look forward, if you will. Right up there above the seats, you do have the bed that comes down for an extra person. Very fun, comes down very quickly. Netting around the sides to keep you safe in case you like to fall off the bed and hurt yourself. Two captain seats that spin around. Nice infotainment center up front there, Winnebago does. It's on the Ford chassis again. 350 horsepower, it's a V8. Everything right at the touch of the button. You do have electronic leveling in this coach. It's a very nice loaded coach. One of the neat little features that this has is this little stand right here that you pull over. Ports in there, and you can use it for maps or a computer, or just whatever you want to use it for. Now, you have the couch across from the dinette, which is very nice. Now, this couch is actually a jackknife bed, so somebody can actually lay here and sleep. You got cup holders back here, so that when you're sitting here and you're watching the TV, you can have your beverage. Or if you're over here and you're having your dinner and you want to watch TV, well, there it is. Now, there are seat belts in these, so you got kids or family along, they'll be safe. The cabinetry in here is a beautiful, beautiful maple color. Look at that. Throughout the whole coach, a lot of storage in a Winnebago. Dual stainless steel sink. Nice storage underneath. Look at that. Stainless steel cooktop. 3 burners, just like always. And a stainless steel microwave. And that appears to be the convection style. Right up here is how you control that loft bed, along with the slide outs, the solar charger. So there is solar on top of this coach so that you can maintain your batteries better. Your generator start right there. In case you want to start your generator, you hear that? There it goes, everything comes on, the air conditioner. Cooling down in here nicely now. Sorry, I'm going to turn that off. You do have an inverter there. Lighting right here. And if we could, let's come back here. I want to show you the bathroom. It's all enclosed. It's got the commode, very nice little sink, good storage, and a huge shower right there. Isn't that nice? Over on this side, I neglected to show you this part of the refrigerator. 2-door right there. That goes with the kitchen part of it, and so does this right here. This is your little pantry area right there. But right behind you here, you have your queen bed. Nice headboard, good storage. Exit window right here in the event of an emergency. But as you're laying here at night, if you want to, you can turn around and watch this little TV. But they also have a little secret storage area in there in case you want to hide some valuables from somebody. Pretty cool. And a window down there in the vanity area, along with, again, tremendous wardrobe ability. This is a loaded coach. But let's go outside and see just how beautiful the outside is. So coming to the outside, it is a Sunstar, beautiful coach, nice tinted windows. The baggage doors open to the side and they go up and over to the other side, which is really nice. It gives you a ton of storage for large or long things. You got 2 of these bays. There's the other one right there. Oh, look at this. In this particular coach, they give you a grill to go with it. Now right here, kind of fun, you have an outdoor TV with 2 speakers. You do have the awning up above that comes out and over to block the sun, so you can do you know, some tailgating or whatever you want to do. Watching the TV with your family, and then shut it up when you don't need it. Coming back here, here's another part of that fun package. I'll try not to hit this behind me. But you do have an outdoor kitchen with a little refrigerator, a lot of storage areas, the sink. Pretty cool, huh? Coming to the back to accompany that will be this little barbecue port, and thus they give you the barbecue to plug right into that baby and cook yourself some salmon or whatever you have, and just a nice little feature. Up above, you have the camera to look at your tow vehicle. Very nice. Or the cars behind you. You have your hitch right here. That's going to be a 5,000-pound hitch, I believe. Ladder right here accessing the top so you can get up there and do all your maintenance. Check your seals. Make sure nothing's cracked up there. Just general maintenance. Now, on this coach, 29V, full wall slide. That's how you get all of that square footage in that coach, and that's a lot of square footage. But again, coming here underneath, side open doors, you got a 4,000 watt Onan generator to power the whole coach right there. 30 amp cord right there. And it is plugged into itself right now, so the generator will go through into the house. Whereas before you would plug it into an alternate plug-in area. Beautiful Goodyear tires. Oh, those are locked. That one's locked. This one is not, I bet. No, it's not. More storage. Winnebago really does not skimp on the storage. You have propane right there. Side cameras so that when you turn your signal on, you can see what's coming this way. A little bit added protection right there. I'll tell you, this is a beautiful coach. The colors are very stylish, very functional. If this is Winnebago is of interest to you, or any of these coaches we have here, give me a call personally, mKelson. The BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.